Hi guys, so this is going to be my lesson plan on Texas history. The standard is chronological and historical thinking of history. So the students are going to go ahead and make a timeline from the information that I'm going to give them. The materials that they're going to need is a computer lab and internet access, and this is the site they're going to use, which is my Weebly that we made, or not my Weebly, my web quest that we made earlier in the year. And the students should just have a simple understanding of computer functions and the program inspiration. So you're going to go to my Weebly. Let me make it nice and pretty for y'all. There we go. So here's the home. It's like this lesson focuses on a history of Texas. Lesson will give students a history lesson on how Texas became a state. The introduction. Today you will become investigators for the Texas History Museum. I want you and a partner to find 12 interesting facts about Texas history. Once you and a partner have found 12 of these facts, you are going to create a timeline to present to the class. Make sure all of your information includes dates, and the museum will not accept any facts on a timeline without an exact date. Task. I want them to include important battles fought, important meetings, documents signed, treaties made, basically everything that led up to Texas becoming a state and like important things that could have happened afterwards. They're going to do this with a partner, and once they're complete doing all of this, the partners are going to break up after they find the dates and make their own timelines with the same dates, but have different pictures included to go with it, just to see the different ideas the student have and what could have happened during that date. Partners will be randomly selected by me, and they're allowed to use the internet, textbook, book from the library, and they have 3 days to complete the task. This is how they're going to be evaluated. So, like, obviously well organized, the dates are all in order, creativity, the timeline includes multiple pictures and is very colorful, information is correct, there's no mistakes. One mistake is 3 points, 2 points for 2 mistakes, 1 point for more than 2 mistakes. And then turned in on time is the last thing I was going to grade them on. The conclusion is me telling them how great they did after it, and then there was a section on, where is it? Processes. Oh, these are links that they should go to find dates to use for their task. Then I had an example for you. So they would go on inspiration to make this, but this is just an example. Of what it could look like. Make it bigger for you. So Mexico bans U.S. immigrants. Texas Revolution begins. Texas declares independence. Austin becomes capital. Texas adopts Lone Star flag. Texas annexed to the United States. So those are just a few things they could have chose, and then pictures that I thought would go with it. And then I would have the students explain each picture with the date of why I thought those, or why they thought those pictures were significant for the date. And that's about it for my section of the lesson. And then this is what our group unit plan looks like. Make it bigger for y'all. Group members, class, section. The goals of the course. Students will be able to receive data in each specific subject area and relate the date to the specific project for each subject. What we expect the students to get from each section. The unit summary. This unit plan, students will learn a variety of information centered around the state of Texas. The information will be explored through the use of independent activities, small group activities, and independent writing. My activity included independent activities and small group activities. And that's about it. Thank y'all for listening. Bye.